how to turn on or turn off YouTube history tracking auto delete on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, tap on activity controls. Then we scroll down to the YouTube history section and then tap on auto delete. In here you can choose auto delete activity order, so you can choose on the option to turn on or choose on don't auto delete to switch it off. So here I'm going to turn on auto delete and then tap on the drop down box. From the list you can choose to automatically delete after 3 months, 18 months or 36 months. So select one of the options and then tap on next, then tap on got it to finish. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.